So for our last recipe today, we're going to do a strawberry Darjeeling tea smoothie. And smoothies are actually one of the easiest ways you can incorporate tea into a recipe. So you know how for all smoothies you always have ice cubes, and instead of using just water, you can brew tea, brew it at double strength, and then freeze it and use that as your ice cube. And you know, when you do this, it's fun to think about which teas pair with which fruit. So I love Darjeeling and strawberries. And oolong goes really well with apricots because a lot of oolongs actually taste apricot-y. So think about that when you pair the tea and the fruit together. You want to put in maybe about the equivalent, and this is like a single serving, so do the equivalent of 8 strawberries. And a little cup of yogurt, just plain whole yogurt, it's good. And then another nice thing to do is just a tiny splash of rose water, just a little so that it doesn't overpower. And ice cubes, so you want to do about, we'll do 5.